What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to run through how to insert a Pinlock insert onto your visor. Pinlock inserts absolutely essential in my opinion for basically demisting and preventing fog buildup on the inside of your visor. So what we need to do is remove the visor first. And then we can pop the helmet out of the way for now. Okay. Opening up the Pinlock. So a lot of helmet companies, depending on the price of the helmet, provide these free of charge. Sometimes you have to pay for them. Sometimes you'll get the little Pinlock pins already supplied. And again, sometimes you, depending on the price of the helmet. Okay, the more expensive the helmet is, the more likely you are to get the insert and the pins for free. Okay, so once we've removed it from the package, we need to take the insert. However, I strongly recommend we clean the inside of the visor first. This is a brand new visor, so it should be clean. It's not had any fingerprints. I've not touched it on the inside. However, you're going to get maybe some fingerprints on the inside running around the edges. So clean it with the free cleaning cloth. And then we need to take the insert. So what you've got on the insert is two sides. You want the side where there's a silicone bead. I don't know if you'll be able to make that through in the camera. So there's a silicone edge running, and what this does is once it's inside the visor, it will act like double glazing and it'll prevent your visor from steaming out. So just peel back in a little bit so you can get to your tabs. You don't need to peel it back all the way, just enough so you can pop it onto the tabs snag free. And then we need to take our visor, making sure it's the right way around. So obviously you've only got two hands. Get your visor, wedge it somewhere, and then straighten the visor out as best you can. They are mega flexible, guys, don't be worried about snapping them, he says. And then place the Pinlock on the inside of the visor with your two tabs between your pins. There we go, and then just straighten your visor out a little bit more and it should sit in the recess. Okay, there we go. If you don't get a perfect seal, you can actually turn these pins and it will tighten it or loosen it. Okay, so if it's too tight it won't seal, and if it's too loose you won't get a great seal. And once it's in, all you have to do is remove said green piece of protective liner and then reinsert into the helmet. It's always easier when it's not being filmed. And there you go, guys. It's as simple as that, okay? So don't be worried about your visor snapping. If it's a brand new visor, it's gonna have loads of flex. So make sure it's clean on the inside. Flex it out. It's either by wedging it in or wedging it into your hip. Straighten it out, get the Pinlock flush, and then it's good to go. So that's it. That's all for today. I'll see you on the next one.